Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a step-to-step guide on how to download the famous Cooking Craze application for your Android phone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First, open your Play Store to begin. Also, ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go to the search box at the top and type in Cooking Craze. Once you make a search for it, go ahead and open this application from Big Fish Games, and to begin the download, tap on Install. Wait until the installation is completed, which will only take a few minutes. Once it is done, you can simply open the game and start playing. Simply tap the play button, and that is how you'll be able to download Cooking Craze on your mobile device. That is how it is easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.